ulan, pero kailangan lumabas.
Go straight on B6049 Commercial Road.
Today's itinerary is to visit a dam. Parang, ano yun? Derwent Dam and Lady Bower Dam. Something like that. And then, later on, hopefully, if the weather is nice, magsa-sunset tayo sa Bamford Edge.
Woohoo! Ang ganda, no? Solid. Ito talaga yung totoong village yan, ah. Oh my goodness. Talaga to, Cattle Creek. Okay. Yep, andito na. Yep.
Okay, Sebastian, go to the daddy.
Kaya ba? Uy, oh. Nga ka siya, babe. Ayos ka.
Ticket secured? We're going now.
Yeah.
Ticket. Di ba siya?
Saan tayo punta niyan?
Doon.
May mga shop din sila dito. May malaking puno dyan. Yes, Sebastian! Hey, yes, Sebastian! Huwag daw ako magsalita. Why? This is the quiet vlog. We are here in the forest. Ay, ang ganda, babe, oh. Tingnan mo. Silhouette. Parang camera 360 rin gamit na dito. Pag ganito. So, this is the place where we belong. The only time to hold you on.
Derwent Dam.
You okay, Sebastian? First,
Or can we go there and then circulate?
I don't know.
Let's go. Let's try.
Ano ba ito, palace?
Dam nga, babe.
Adam!
Dam to. Oh. How many? Sebastian. Sebastian. Hi.
Hey!
Wait, this dam supplies Leicester, Derby, Nottingham, and Sheffield. Nice, no? It's like a gripo.
Oo nga, no?
There are 2,753 workers from 1902 to 1916.
12 years.
One 1,241,145 stones. Tons of stones. Grabe. Paano kaya sila nakakuha ng malalaking stone na ganito, no?
No idea, baby. Okay.
Hindi na daan sa tamang trip.
Alam ko may power bank ako dun eh.
Austin.
Ay, Sebastian!
Sige nga, alisin mo nga. Huwag mo nga hawakan. Ano nangyayari?
Matatakpan ko na dyan pag umupo ako dyan eh. So try natin. Medyo tagilid nga lang to eh. Okay. So saan tayo nyan? Dito sa kaliwa, kanan?
Dito, Bella. Buti naman umayon yung ano. Saktong paalis tayo saka naulan. Apparently. Meron bang naglalakad doon? Parang wala naman.
There's a big circle thing there.
Oh,
Is
is
it?
it here?
Oh,
Oh,
is it empty?
where's the water? Nothing?
I think this is the one.
Ano ba yan? Ano naman?
Pakita mo na.
Ano ba yan?
Yan yun, no? Ashamed sa Mexibots.
What a shame. We don't have water. There's
What a
supposed to be
shame.
water in there. I wonder why. It rained. I guess it's not enough.
This is the... What dam is this again?
Lady Bower.
Lady Boy Dam. It's Lady Boy Dam.
Parang mas original niya sa kanya. Bisit
Hindi ah.
Oo eh. Ano siyang mga bisit naman eh.
Okay lang yun, man. Okay lang. Alam nyo, may kapareha siyang damit. Ay, babae.
Maglakad tayo pupunta doon.
Original naman sa'yo eh.
Ilagay mo dyan yung
Hindi,
kanina.
okay. Original niya sa'yo, babe.
Oo naman. Shin original to eh. Ano ba? Lagyan mo na.
Idaan natin sa gitna natin.
After 200 yards, you have reached your destination.
Oh, babe. Ganda oh.
Sige, diretsuhin mo na natin. Ikaw lang yung turn yan.
Sabi diretso pa daw.
Hindi, dyan na yun na. Yun. Tapos, paakit. It's 4:22. Sabi nila 20 minutes. Sabi nila 20 minutes climb.
From the jump off.
from the jump off, pero parang sa iba kami nadaan. So let's see. Sunset is 5:30. Yan, palubog na yung araw. Grabe lamig.
Bastón. Who is it?
Premiumbeat.com.
Is it cold?
Is it cold?
Sige na, babe. Picture na dito.
Premiumbeat.com.
Okay, that's it.
Then go that way and back.
Wala sila.
Pick of what? Anong pick to?
Baumford Edge.
See you, bro. Thank you.
Babe, babe! Ganda ng sunrise eh. Ganda ng
Look, babe, look. Oh, wow! Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. And rainbow, man.
Oh gosh! This is a blessing.
Oh, my goodness.
I love you.
I love you. Oh, my goodness.
Oh my gosh! Babe, the rainbow!
The rainbow.
Oh my gosh!
punta ka na sa gitna, babe.
This is happy birthday, Sebastian! Happy birthday! Oh my God, babe.
Sebastian.
Happy birthday! Sebastian! You okay?
Hagis ko.
No, no, no. No, no, no. Wala na yung rainbow. Wala na yung rainbow.
Oh, just a little bit there.
Yeah. I'm meron din doon.
Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, sunset. Thank you.
Comfort and that's it. Okay, say that is it for today and see you on our next video. Yes! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yee.